Your Silverado 1500 sags under heavy loads because the factory leaf springs are tuned for passenger comfort, not hauling. To fix this squat and restore your steering geometry, you must install an add-a-leaf kit for permanent support or an airbag system for adjustable load leveling. We are going to break down which setup fits your towing needs so you get the right suspension upgrade. An add-a-leaf kit is a permanent upgrade where a rigid steel spring bolts directly into your factory leaf pack. This setup shines if your truck constantly carries a heavy tool bed, a slide-in camper, or heavy equipment. It is a set-and-forget solution with zero maintenance and no air lines to leak. The trade-off with an add-a-leaf is a permanently stiffened rear suspension. When your Silverado bed is empty, the ride quality will be noticeably harsher over bumps. Those heavy-duty springs simply no longer have the weight required to compress them properly. Airbag systems use heavy-duty pneumatic bags mounted between your truck's frame and the rear axle. This is the ultimate solution if you tow heavy trailers on the weekends but use your truck as a daily driver. You inflate the bags to level the truck when loaded and deflate them to maintain a smooth factory ride when empty. The downside to airbags is the added complexity. You have to deal with airlines, fittings, and potential leaks, especially if you drive in rough environments. Choosing between the two comes down to cargo frequency. Dedicated work trucks need the bolt-on reliability of an add-a-leaf, while daily drivers benefit from the flexibility of airbags.